Hello. Well, it has been a while since I've made a video. Not a whole lot going on. Just driving dump truck for work, and that's pretty much all that's going on. Um, yeah. Anyways, it has occurred to me that I have not showed you a recent accessory that I've added to my Dodge. Um, it's up front here. You can't see it from just looking at it, but you have to get underneath to look at it. And there it is. I installed a air horn. There's the little compressor. It was very easy to install. I just had to drill a couple holes for the two brackets for the horn, and then I think that hole is already there for that compressor. And then there's that hole there. It's where I ran the hose. And the wires, it has a relay right there, and then it actually just wires into your old horn switch on your factory horn switch. And when I got this truck, it never had a horn. The horn was disconnected and it wasn't even hooked up. And then a few weeks ago, I had some guy or lady or somebody pull out in front of me, and I had to lock up my brakes, and I didn't have a horn. So that's what got me motivated to put this on. So now you probably want to hear it. So it's just hooked up to my horn switch. I'll put it down here. You'll probably be able to hear it better. It's plenty loud. I have no idea how many decibels it is, but it's nice. So, anyways. And I don't know if I also bought me a fifth wheel trailer. It's nice. Companion, it's the same year as I am. But Cummins is running pretty good. They had all new injectors in it a month or two ago. Well, a couple months ago now. And I raced against the 2014 6.7 Power Stroke, and I won. And it was it's a deleted Power Stroke, so yeah, I was pretty proud of that. Pretty proud of the old girl. The next one, I think I'll get a 24 valve. Make sure it's bulletproof as far as keeping the pump happy, but I just like the 24 valve sounds pretty good as far as straight pipe. They sound real good. Anyways, that's an update for you guys. Keep in touch. I'll try to post videos if I think of something to film. So, well, if you got something you want to see, or let me know.